Let's make oat flour. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So today we'll be making oat flour. I'll be using this oats. This is about 2 kg of oats, rolled oat, or a penta of rolled oat, which I bought from the market. So all I'll be doing is to grind this into powder to get our oat flour. And here we have our oat flour, very simple and easy to make. You can use oat flour for your bakings, for healthy bakings, for your smoothies, for even for your porridge, and also for swallow. If you're an African, you understand fufu. So you can use oat flour for your fufu. I have a video of how to make oat fufu or oatmeal fufu. I also have a video where I baked cake and bread with oats. So I'll leave the links in my description box below. You can check them out and know what to do with your oatmeal. This is a very healthy option for flour. Then all of this to allow it to cool down before you cover it in your airtight container or you store it in your Ziploc bag. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and I hope this will be useful for you. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed, and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.